Hello everyone. So for this week, these are the 5 books which are being liked by my kiddos. So starting from the first one, The Chilmil, the Butterfly. This is a pretty old book, pretty well used, torn, eaten, because it used to be very much favorite of Sanvi when I did used it some 6 to 8 months back probably, and now I've taken it out again for Sia because Sia is not interested in books except it, but she likes some animals like butterflies, myna, because these are things which she sees outside. So I thought it's a good time to take this book out and read about it, and no wonder Sia is liking it. So it's actually an Indian story, like it's not that fancy like English authors. I would say that it's a very normal Indian story. There's a butterfly, there's a myna, and there's a squirrel here, there's sunflower, and it's by authors of some Indian authors only. I don't remember. Yeah, this is some, yeah, Tara Quinn. It's not a famous author. I just got it randomly, and what I loved about it is there's a lot of rhyming here. Like the wings are flapping, the squirrel is scampering, and what is new about it? There's sunflower. It talks about the phenomenon of 4 seasons. Okay, the summer, winter, autumn, and how the flowers need sunlight and why sunflower is sad if there is no sun. So this is, though it's reintroduced for Sanvi, but these concepts are new for her to understand now. She's big enough to understand, like, because when we went to India, she saw sunflowers. She often asked like why it is so cold in India, because in Singapore we have only one season, that's summer. So during India visits, when I tell her that you have to wear sweaters because it's cold, it's winter season. So this is the book that is first introduction to the seasons, and then basic phenomenons of summer, sun, and gloomy weather, adding vocabulary also. And for Sia, it's all about colorful and butterflies and mynas, whatever bird she know till now. This one, Topsy and Tim. So if you remember, I have Topsy and Tim, first book of Fighters. This first book. It is highly recommended on Amazon, so that's the reason I got it. And actually, Sunil read it first time for Sanvi 2 or 3 days back, and he himself loved this book. This talks about very basics for the kids, especially for my kids who are very adventurous. Okay, they love climbing up, touching things, running here and there on the road, and it talks about like you should not climb up trees, you should not run behind the honeybees, you should not pick up the things from the garden and eat, and you should not just climb up here and there, and things will fall down. You should not stand near the cooking hob and all those stuff, which we have been telling to our kids again and again, but this book explains everything again in a very well exemplary and pictures way. And Topsy and Tim, and Sunny recognizes these characters, so still it's her favorite, because, and we like it because in a way we are emphasizing what we want to tell them again and again. So this one, Five Little Monkeys. This is the first Indian book, in Hindi book basically, which I introduced to my kids, because we rarely get Hindi books here, and so especially on this recommendation on Facebook about this this, I forget, but Tulika books, yeah, Tulika books, and that's why I got this Five Little Monkeys. So it is actually Hindi English both, but I read it only in Hindi for them, and Sunil reads only in English to them. So they don't understand Hindi much, but still it is very funny the way they talk about it, like Tapak se, you can read Tapak se, Japak se, and my kids are rhyming and singing this song again and again. And again, monkeys and crocodile and all the animals, it fascinates them. It talks about counting, if you talk about academic way, but still, they know Pan Chote Bandar. So in a way, I'm happy they are learning Hindi also in because here nobody talks in Hindi to them. So it's a task only for me to teach them Hindi, and it's difficult. So I especially got Hindi books this time so that I can emphasize Hindi in a way. So like this is another Hindi book which I got from a local store in India. So all the stories which we have read when we were small, like Lal Che Kutta, the Greedy Dog one, and Tapu Karaj, all these small Hindi stories. But Sani loves listening to stories, and if it's in Hindi, she doesn't understand, so I have to tell her, explain in the English what's happening. But still, she loves listening to Hindi words and try to use in her daily language. And so if when I'm reading it, I just like she knows what's dog, so I tell kutta. Kutta is called dog in English. So like that, I'm introducing small words through these stories so that she gets comfortable with Hindi too. And the last one is the solar system. Actually, Sanvi is a very inquisitive child, and she keeps asking questions. Her whys never ends. Why it is night? Why sun has come? Why it is gloomy? Why sun is not there? So I wanted to introduce some basic concept of solar system, like sun revolves around the earth. We have a globe or something, but still. But when I looked upon in Amazon and all, I found things of very high level for her. So this is the basic only book I could find. It's in a local store here, which is about solar system. So just talking about, I'm not reading this book word to her because it's difficult for her. No, but I just listen. It's the sun. It's yellow color. It's very hot. That's why we get sunlight from it. And see, we are revolving. So that's why it is daytime. It's night time. And then she's in love with astronauts, space shuttle, because she has seen some pictures. In He Bear, She Bear, I talked about one of her favorite books in earlier videos. So in that one, it says that you can meet astronaut one day. So now she wanted to know what is astronaut, where does astronaut go. So like that, I introduced another planets and space concept that you can go to another planet. See, this is how the there's some vehicles on the another planet, and then there are some, it's how the rocket goes, how the astronaut sits inside it, and then it goes there. And I think they're shown some astronauts also in one page. So Sanvi is very much interested because it talks her language in a way which she wants to learn. But personally, I don't know how to explain the solar system to. Just an introduction for her to, just cool down her curiosity and get some direction to solve her simple whys. So that's all are the books for this week. Hope you enjoy them too. Bye bye.